In today's session, we are going to learn about browser navigation methods or commands. Basically, these commands are used to move from one URL to another URL, and it will take the value from your history. So mostly we are using navigate to command, navigate back command, navigate refresh, navigate forward. Navigate to command is used to basically move from one browser to another browser. So what is the difference between navigate to, back, refresh, and forward? So navigate to command is accept any string value. Other commands like back, refresh, and forward, these are not going to accept any string value. String value means these are not going to accept any URL. It will take from your history, browser history, and work accordingly. Now we are do same thing with the help of practice. So more feel the more confidence. So I have created here one class. That is the class name is open browser. Now here I am going to use the WebDriver manager. WebDriver manager basically is used for the setup the Chrome driver exe. Now Chrome driver, because I wanted to open the Chrome driver dot setup method. After the setup method, it will set up the Chrome driver. Now we can create one WebDriver. So WebDriver, create object of this driver equal to new Chrome driver. It will open your Chrome driver. Now, next command, we are going to maximize our Chrome driver. So using driver manage window maximize. Using this command, browser will be maximized. Next command, driver.get. Driver.get command is used to open any URL. So here you have to pass in null any string value. String value means a URL value. It will open your browser. You can run this and check what will be the output. So according to this script, first it will launch your Chrome driver. After that, it will maximize it, and then it will write your google.co.in. So next command, suppose that we want to move some more command, navigate from this Google to any Facebook. How to achieve this thing? Then again, driver.navigate. Navigate is command using .2. You can see here in 2 it is asking for the URL. So we need to enter the URL here. Same way like here. Facebook. This code executed, first it will open your google.co.in, then it will move on your facebook.com. Here we can pass the one wait command. So thread.sleep, this is not preferred in actual scenarios. So here I'm just taking 5 seconds. It will wait here. After opening the Chrome browser, it will wait for 5 seconds. Run the script and check the output. So first, it will open your browser, maximize it, Chrome driver, then it will open your Facebook. I'm just going to close this browser. Next command, suppose that we want to move again our google.co.in page. Then how to achieve this? Then you have to write driver.navigate.back. So back command is not going to take any argument. So it will take this from its browser history. So first it will move First, it will open your Chrome driver, maximize it, type the google.co.in, then it will move on your Facebook page. From Facebook to again, it will move to your Google page. Now, suppose it again, I want to move on our Facebook page without passing the URL. Then you can achieve using driver.navigate command. Using here, there is a one more command that is for the forward. No, not modify. Navigate. So, what actually it will perform? It will first open the your Google, then your Facebook. Again, back means open the Google page. Forward means again it will open your Facebook page. Open the browser, maximize it, google.co.in, it will wait here as per given the thread.slip. Then it will move your facebook.com. From here it will move to back your google.co.in. Again it will move on Facebook. Now, if you wanted to refresh the page, then you can write here driver.navigate. Using navigate, then you have to pass the refresh command. So it will refresh your page. Now, I'm just giving a last command. Close the browser, driver.close. Let me close the browser, but here I'm just giving you some wait time so that it will wait. In this page, then it will close the page. Sleep. So I'm giving here 3000 milliseconds, means it will wait for the 3 seconds. First open the browser, maximize it, type the google.co.in, wait for 5 seconds. Again, it will move on your Facebook page. From Facebook page, it will back move to your Google page. From Google page, it will again move to your Facebook. Wait here for 3 seconds, refresh the page and close the browser. First, WebDriver manager.chromedriver.setup. It will set up your Chrome driver exe. WebDriver driver equal to new Chrome driver. It will launch your Chrome driver browser. Driver.manage.window.maximize. It will maximize your browser. Driver.get. It means we are passing here www.google.co.in. It will open this page. Thread.sleep. It will wait for 5 seconds here. Then driver.navigate.to. It will open your Facebook page. Again, we are using driver.navigate.back command. Using this, it will move on your Google page. Again, it will come here, then find driver.navigate.forward. It will open your Facebook page. It find here some hard wait, thread.sleep. Again, it will wait for 3 seconds. Now, driver.navigate.refresh. It will refresh your page, and in a last command, driver.close. It will close your browser.